So in the previous tasks, we use and queries. So here we're going to use or query. So it's going to be based on the 10G. We're going to list all the products that are sold, and the color is anthracite and or silver. So it should be one of the colors. Okay. So let's do it. So I copy paste that previous activity that was with one color. I'm going to name it 10H anthracite or silver. So this is just the title. Okay, let me just remove this to show you that we have multiple colors. I mean, we have white, anthracite, and silver. So we need one of them. So anthracite or silver. As you can see, it's giving us silver or either anthracite. If we put and, you can see it's not going to give us any results because there is no one that having both colors. So we need either one of them by using or. It's quite clear. So the report was we need to list all the products. That's it, just a listing. No need to create any report. Also in the previous question, no need to create any reports so far. So just listing with a query.